We are back on the Hampton Road Show now, and the doctor is in. And today we're talking about neurotherapy, a treatment technique that could help improve issues like anxiety, insomnia, migraines, and many more. Here now to tell us more is neurotherapist Rick Ellis, director and doctor of Spectrum Psychological and Neurotherapy. Dr. Ellis, welcome to the Hampton Road Show.
Great to be here.
Okay, I'm fascinated by this.
Okay.
Please take us down the road, what we should know. What exactly is neurofeedback?
Neurofeedback is where you place sensors on the brain and we take the waves that are coming out of the brain. We don't put anything into the brain. We analyze those waves and find out what dysregulation is going on, what's messed up in the thinking process, and then we give feedback where you watch a movie fade in and out or make a tone when you make the right waves to help you with your attention, anxiety, depression, whatever it might be.
What are you looking for as a doctor when you're looking at these the neurofeedback? What are you looking for?
Well, we're comparing, well, the ultimate is we want to find the person get better.
Right.
Okay? But in the process, we look at anxiety waves, we look at depression waves, we look at those waves in the brain that promote the problem that we're seeing. And we want to normalize those. We compare them to normal, and then we promote the movement of those brain waves to the normal way.
Tell me more about how you promote the normalness and try to get them back on the right track.
Well, it used to be guesswork, but now we do a quantitative electroencephalogram. We're doing an EEG, just like they do in the hospital, but we're looking really specifically at what waves are going on where, and then we develop a plan to help regulate those waves, and we can train up to 200 different functions in the brain at the same time while someone watches a movie fade in and out.
So you're using sensors.
Correct.
Where do you put the sensors, and how do you know where to put them?
The new way of doing it, we put a cap on, and there's 19 sensors.
Okay.
So we analyze all of the waves. We can triangulate into the middle of the brain and analyze a lot of different communication in the brain and other things like that.
Okay, so you can help a lot of different individuals with so many different problems. What are some of the problems that you can help eliminate and help get people back on the right track? Because there's a long list. I named a few off the top.
Right. Well, you know, the seizures, we see people with seizures. Dementia is now an area that's being addressed with these kinds of problems. ADHD has been researched for 45 years. The, anything that's a diagnosis that involves the brain, we can address it.
I had problems sleeping, insomnia.
Right.
Can you help me with that?
Yes. Typically that's delta waves. Delta waves are the sleep waves. And we can help promote, we can train the brain to make more delta waves and improve sleep.
And it seems with the brain, a lot of people have migraine headaches.
Migraines, it's another area that we can help. We can find out what's going wrong with the brain and do something to help that.
Let's talk more about how you got started and how you help your clients and what they can expect when they come through the door.
Well, I was a psychologist. I'd seen a lot of people in therapy. They've been on medications and really don't see a lot of improvement like we'd hope.
Right.
And the side effects of medication.
Right.
And I thought, well, let's try out this field. It's been around for 45 years. With computers, it should be here. And I found out it is. But the message isn't getting out. So that's kind of why I'm here.
And you can help so many different people in so many different ways. Thank you for joining us. This is a fascinating subject. You want to find out more. If you have any of these issues that you think might be able to help you, Dr. Rick Ellis, neurotherapist. You can find out more with Dr. Ellis at Spectrum Psychological and Neurotherapy, located at 4542 Bonnie Road, Suite B in Virginia Beach. The number there is 757-640-1882. Find out more online at spectrumpsychological.net.